We got a 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. It's a 12-inch. So we first of all, I had to look where I could find the wire that I can run through this grommet right there. I usually call rubber boots. I found it right underneath here. If you go out here, you can see that grommet down under the passenger seat. See that hole right there? I pulled that off. I'm gonna run the power wire through here. I'm gonna make a hole right here, and then I push it back in and pull the wire out. Basically, I'll show you how. And I ran the power wire through. Earlier, I made a cut right there. Use a knife, cut an X right there, and then I'm gonna push the wire like so, and just pull it, and then just snug this grommet or rubber boot back. Use 2 self-tapping inch screw. It's a shorter one. It's less than 3/4 inch or half an inch. Half an inch self-tapper screw. It's right behind this, or you can use that. Take that. I think that's a 20 millimeter, and put a ground. But I like it right here. I sand it really good, and then the ground. I got the power, the ground. Now I got the. He ran the speaker wire for me, so I can use a line out converter, hook to the line out converter. I use a Kislock 2. It's got a Kislock 1 doesn't have a remote output. I like something with this type like this. So you basically gonna I'm gonna hook up only one side, one front speakers. The one with the stripe, white, black, gray, black is negative, and white and gray is positive. And this I'm gonna hook up with the ground. The blue wire is the ground, the red wire is power. I don't need that. So here we go. So as you can see, I put the blue to remote, the ground with this black ground right there. It's hard to slide it in sometime with the smaller ground, but it's okay. It's not gonna touch the blue wire because the blue is always in. I'm gonna tape it like this. I'm gonna use the cable wire tie. I'm gonna leave it like that, clean it up, and then put the speaker wire right there. I'm gonna this thing is not bridgeable. I thought it's mono, should be bridgeable. This is a new Triton WR 800.1. Take a picture of this. Here I took the glove compartment out. So green, violet is positive, and green, yellow is negative. This plug, I pulled it out right there. All you have to do is push this clip and pull it out. And right here, if you want to know how to take the glove compartment out, see this hole right there, the bigger hole. What you want to do, you kind of pull it out a little bit and pull this out and push it like this. Slide it out, basically pull it down. It's kind of hard to explain, but so basically right there, see this thicker one right there, it's stuck on right here. So you can pull this out right here and to the big hole, pull it out, slide it out like this outward, and it should come out. So I'm gonna T-tap this to the speaker wire. Oh, here you go. If you want to look at it, you see what I'm talking about? See this? You snap it back down, it's gonna lock. If you snap it out, you can just literally make sure you align it. You pull it out right there, and then you put it back, push it down so it clips. There you go. That's it. Wire. So we ran the we call it a wire loom. This is a 4-gauge kit. We'll run it down here, all the way down here to the bottom right there. I'm gonna show you right there. You gotta watch that muffler right there. I'll get some of my phone light right there a little bit. Right there. So the wire gotta go from this side. Make sure you tape them right there. Wire tie them so it don't just come out. I think I'm gonna tie one. Well, it's not gonna go anywhere, so the wire is already tied up there. So right there, you wire tie right there, tie it right there so it don't just flying all over or come loose, or the wire dragging on the street. So right around all over there until you met that one hole. So we'll run the power wire through here with the 8 amp fuse, because it's a smaller amp, and 4 gauge to here, 10 millimeter right there, and making sure it's tight, not too tight but tight enough where it's not gonna loose when you pull it like this. So that's it.